Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A72 and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Start by opening Play Store and typing Repost for Instagram. Then you need to download this app from this developer. Now open it and go into your Instagram. Select the photo that you want to download, for example that one, and click at the three dots at the top right corner of it. Choose Share To. Tap on Repost app and go back to it. Now you can pick one of the options and tap on the photo. Tap on one of these icons to move your label around or turn it off completely by clicking on this icon over here, the square one. Then tap the middle button and when I go into my gallery, I guess that my picture was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!